2024 Top Scrum Marvel, $3. Pick your character number 15. I was asking if this. We do have the one more. I'll have to check if we have another case of this. No Looney? Yeah, you're telling me, man. Even today, I was like, what's coming next? More Looney Tunes? And then I looked over to the shelf and then remembered. And then was immediately very sad. Alright, for the all giant size, the Brad getting an oversized, or a all giant size supervillain team up. Next up, giant size X-Men. As a reminder that we could do some X-Men 97. Some of that X-Men 97. I gotta see what's the card I'm trying to see in Omega. And we got a giant size Avengers. Got the whole crew in that one. Let me sleeve and take care of these giant size cards real quick, and then we will get into it. I don't know why the overhead camera was having such a problem right there. Wow, and I'm exactly one top loader short, so I'll have to go grab one. I'll go grab it after the break. The Speedy Gonzalez sketch, yeah, Bray. Was pretty crazy. Alrighty. Gosh, the quality of these cards catches me off guard every single time. Such high quality. Cody on Raw, interesting. Oh, I look over the right, I see that bright blonde hair. He walked in with his belt. You always gotta walk in with the belt. Reminder again to everyone, we do have some single box breaks of tops, or of not tops, of Marvel Studios Series 2. Guaranteed 2 autos per box. Got some crazy cool names. I know everybody's fiending to see an Elizabeth Olsen auto from Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness as the Scarlet Witch. Here we go. Good luck, folks. Good luck. And we're off. Oh, we love a Spidey in the base, I tell you that much. We got Mimic. There we got Kamala Khan. There on the refractor. Vision. We got Storm, Ororo. And there's a classic. The 90s cover. That's going to all giant spot. Combo spot. Blob. We got that Beast. Loki. Wreaking Havoc. And there's a Spider-Man Gold. In full color. It's going out to the Spider-Man spot. Mystique on the refractor. There we got John Ironfire. Oh, we love gold. Waves. That's 13 out of 50. John Ironfire. That's going to be the combo spot for the letter J for that gold. Combo spot for the letter J. It's Mesmero, Ant-Man, Campman. Miles Morales on the refractor. Beautiful looking card. Love the artwork from Miles. We got Wonder Man, I Am Groot, and Agatha for the first handful. Did Jean Grey hit out of this break? We just started. Oh Sizzle. We got Professor Xavier, Professor X on the beautiful blue wave, number to 150. That's number 79? 79. Sometimes the foiling. There we go. Made it a little easier to read right there. Number 79 on blue wave of Professor X. It's a goblin in it. We got Gambit Mantis, giant size, with the Fantastic Four on the cover there. Drax the Destroyer on the refractor there. Got an icons of Captain America. There's Silk, my favorite Marvel character. We got Shulky on the refractor. Captain America and Venom. We got Lockjaw. That's a 2-for-1 shrimp combo in the Lockjaw, and that did come with egg roll. Number to 75, we got 39. Lockjaw is going to be on the others letter L for the purple Lockjaw. Look at that dog. He's having a good time. He's lonked out, man. He ate some catnip, and for some reason the catnip did to him what it does to cats. I got Craven Hunter on the refractor. There's that guy. That's pretty strong, I hear. Blade. Really holding on to Union Jack back there. Mysterio, Juggernauts, and there we've got Echo on the Web Fractor. Numbered to 399. We got 271 on Echo. Echo is another combo spot hitter. Others, letter E. Do some communication for that first box, and we'll get to box number 2. Number 16 did just hit the store. It's the last of this case from Marvel. I'll have to do a double check on our shelf to see if we have more Marvel, to see if after 16 we have 17 going up. And there we go. Next box. Good luck. Any Sentry come out? I didn't see Sentry in that first box. Mr. Durango. There we got the iPad Kid and Nihilus on the refractor. Abomination. There we got Husk, Iron Fist, stuck in the web. That's the first in the print. 001 out of 399. We got an Alpha on the bookend right there. Beautiful hit right there. Do we have this in his, or him in his own spot? We don't. This is going to the others letter I. I'm shocked, especially his heightened popularity ever since Marvel Rivals came out. Very annoying character to deal with in the game of Marvel Rivals. Spy Master, Master of Bacon Cookies there on the refractor. He's not the master of anything else, just bacon cookies. Human Torch, Sam Wilson. That's Captain America with Sam Wilson. There we got Blob on the refractor. Miguel O'Hara. That's Spider-Man 29. Hawk 2. There we got Black Panther. Ooh! Who's got Black Panther? Beautiful hit right there out to Gates with an orange Black Panther. 7 out of 25 on the Black Panther. We love to see it. We love to see it. You know where he's from, right? Well, who are we talking about? Who's he in that context? And there's Sage. Let's finish we'll do this in 2 handfuls. And there we got Lizard, Superfan with Wakanda Forever. Galactus on the refractor. Iron Fist? Like, do I know what comic he's from? What country his character's from? Like, what do we mean? There's a Wolverine in the base. Guardians of the Galaxy in the 90s cover. I got Drax. We hit the jackpot. Sunfire. There's another jackpot. Nice first stamp on the top right corner of that, and it's in a refractor. Human Torch, Kingpin. We got an Omega Red. Show me a cool color. Ooh, we got green. 69 out of 99. Somebody in the chat's going to say nice to that. That's Omega Red. Others, letter O. We got Dormammu. And there's Spymaster. You said the actor? Which in the game, in the series, we got Rogue on the refractor. War Machine, Mesmero, Ant-Man, Cantman, Agatha Harkness, and there's Colossus. Stuck in a web. 130 out of 399 on the web fractor. Colossus, that one's going out to Skywalker. I like your username, Skywalker. Wonder Man, and I am Groot. In the show, I haven't watched the show, so I wouldn't have the faintest clue. The Man Funk said liked his series on Netflix. You were just saying Iron Fist is popular right now. I said Rivals. I was talking about Marvel Rivals. I feel like Marvel Rivals pushed the character of Iron Fist further into popularity. Third box. Good luck, everybody. Nah, Rivals made more popular. I'm glad we're on the same page there, Superfan. Then we got Haywire, number to 150. That's 85 on the blue wave right there. On the others spot, others letter H for the Haywire. Fully. We got Eunice, everybody's favorite comic book character out of Marvel. We got Giant Size right there. Vision on the refractor. We got Vision on the refractor. Mr. Bombastic. Oh, it's funny to get those two right after each other. They got Ant-Man, Cantman, Emma Frost, Uatu, the Watcher. That's a Goblin in it. Gambit. We got Mantis. And Doctor Strange. Love that we got Mjolnir on the right side right there. The Iron Man mask on the left side there. Just a cool cover that card has. There's Silk. Kamala Khan, Apocalypse. And there's King the Conqueror on the beautiful green gamma ray wave. Number to 99. That's 57. 57. Captain America on the base. Scarlet Witch X23, and that is Spot. What is Rivals? Iron Fist came before Rivals. Iron Fist was nobody in the series. Yeah, no, Rivals, the video game Rivals came out last year. I would say the game has made his character, I want to say, beloved. He's annoying to deal with in game, but there's a lot of people who only will play Iron Fist, and they are now diehard Iron Fist fans. Prowler, Spider-Ham. We got a hit for the Daredevil spot on the 60-year anniversary Daredevil. Beautiful looking card right there. We love it. Adam Warlock. We're seeing a lot of Adam Warlock today so far. A lot of Adam Warlock today so far. You got Destiny wreaking havoc, and I love the the Human Torches in this set. I'm a huge, huge fan of the Human Torches out of this set. It's 36 out of 39. Is anyone able to school me in terms of why the Human Torches are numbered to 39? Is there lore attached to that? Beloved and feared. Yeah, that sounds right. I want to put his ultimate ability sound on the soundboard anytime we get him. There's Iron Man on the base. Thor, Odin's son. We got Kingpin. I like Kingpin on the Web Fractor. It just looks right. It just looks right. Thanos. Rocket Raccoon, Annihilus, the iPad Kid, and there's Professor X. We got one. I think it's 2 more packs right here. Good luck, folks. Good luck. We got a Refractor, a Black Widow. Refractor of Black Widow. Is Black Widow over on spot? She does. Going out to Athletic. There's Shulky, Haywire, Kitty Pryde. We're gonna more. I don't remember who's got Spider-Man. Who the heck's got Spider-Man? These are all gonna be base cards. I need to scroll down real quick. Who's got Spider-Man? Stupid Fast. In the Web Fractor, numbered to 399. That's 226. That is a parallel match on the Spidey. 226 out of 399. You got the spider webs within the spider webs. Beautiful looking card. I love it when we have a parallel named after a specific character. Beautiful hit right there. Super fast said I heard my name. Awesome hit right there. You got the webs within the webs. Only card that'll have that happening. Just looks real good. Love it. Why is there a bird on Raw? Get through the rest of our base cards there. We're going to do some final sleeving and casing, and then we'll hit the recap. Super Fast says, I love the webs. Manfunk with the Gratz. Straddled the hero villain line too early in his history. Oh wait, Marvel number 1939 featuring Android Human Torch. Ah! Super fam being super sharp. There's still a bird on Raw. Oh! Okay. Are we still... I killed the camera because I just shocked the life out of the camera. So I need to reset the camera real quick. The overhead still okay? Alright, cool. Fam said burb. Here's the recap. Love that Spider-Man. We're gonna beat the sorts on that for sure. Iron Fist stuck in a web. Professor X, Kang the Conqueror, Omega Red, Lockjaw, John Ironfire to 50. Havoc on the Human Torch to 39, and we'll also beat the sorts on that orange Black Panther. Wakanda forever, folks. Wakanda forever. That was 2024 Topps Chrome Marvel 3-box. Pick your character number 15. Thank you all very much for the break. 16 is in the store. It'll finish off the rest of this case, and then I'll see if we have any more to see if 17 is a possibility. Thank you all for the break.